So, has anything changed? No. Can we trust the weekend pump? No. So that's why guys, today I will be starting this analysis more of a similar to what we have talked on my yesterday's video, because we are well aware the price of Bitcoin is still inside this descending channel where the upper line is acting as a strong line of resistance, lower line is acting as a strong line of support. So that's why we are well aware if the price of Bitcoin wants to show an actual movement here to the upside, first what we have to do, we have to flip this resistance around 38,000 into support, and if we do that, then there could be some sort of a weekend pump again around this 40 to 41,000 before choosing an actual trend direction. Why I'm actually saying you this? Because we are well aware this Williams alligator indicator right now is also acting as a resistance, which is around 38,000. So if the resistance around 38,000 is going to get broken, price breaking out of this upper line area, then we could see some sort of a weekend pump again towards this 40 to 41,000 before we choose an actual trend direction. Because not just only this Williams alligator indicator, also the monthly S1 line, if you look at this each and every monthly S1 line, whenever the price was below the CPI line and whenever we also saw this retracement, price trying to find support above this monthly S1 line, we got a rejection, we had a bigger pullback, and right now this is exactly where we are also finding rejection around 38,000. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to show any sort of a relief rally again towards this 41 to 40,000 range, we have to flip this 38,000 resistance into support. Otherwise, this trend could be weakening. Why I'm actually saying you this? Because with different example, different scenario, nothing has changed. The price of Bitcoin has showed a similar scenario here. Relief rally could not last longer, even a bigger price retracement. Exactly like this past price action. So that is also a reason why I'm actually warning you. Please be careful. If this is also going to be more of a relief rally, price failing to find support above this 38,000, right, then we could be also seeing this bigger price retracement. Not just only through this different indicator, we want the price to clearly break out of 38,000 and flip it into support, because many are talking also about this one scenario which is known as bear flag pattern. According to this bear flag, the price of Bitcoin is forming a very similar scenario. So before I switch into this exact chart, guys, let me give you a quick update that now not just only Crypto Anup German channel is being provided, but we also have our own Crypto Anup English Telegram channel. So if you want to communicate, if you want to share some of your ideas, help each other, guys, and also see some of my chart which I will be providing only in this channel. So if you don't want to miss that out, then follow this Crypto Anup Telegram channel. The link is provided in the description down below. Now let's look at this chart. So now let me show you why I wanted to talk about this, because we are well aware in the past Bitcoin price action when the trend was heading clearly here to the downside, right, showing this movement in this manner. What has happened here in price action of Bitcoin? I mean, if you look at this price movement when the price of Bitcoin was forming this rising channel in a downtrend like this actually played out more as a bear flag. When the support got broken from this ascending channel or rising channel, we started this downward price movement. Again, similar structure unfolded here. You can see the price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin also formed another similar movement. I mean, a rising channel. Once the support got broken, you can see we had this bigger price retracement. Now, if we look in our case, this could be another possible bear flag type of scenario unfolding. Similar price movement led to a pullback, even though that was a rising channel or ascending channel. So if this weekend pump is going to continue, I still want you guys to be a bit careful, because we don't want the price of Bitcoin also to form a movement, right, where we break out of this 38,000 resistance line, fail to find support, and show another movement here in this manner. So that is the reason why I'm actually saying you be careful when you see price bumping around weekend. And not just only this one here, guys, not just only this one here. If you have watched my video from yesterday, I talked about this Jesse Livermore's pivotal point theory, and according to this Jesse Livermore pivotal point theory, before we start with this new impulsive movement, what does the price usually does? price sees a retracement towards the previous support line, find support, and only then we start with this new market phase. And if we look in our price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, then we could be getting gravitated towards the point A, and in our case this point A is going to be the area where we previously found support. So that's why we have said if the price of Bitcoin could be starting this new market phase, before this market phase, maybe we could see some more retracement towards the previous support area, and then only start with this actual impulsive price movement. Because in a daily time frame, if you combine this with Wyckoff, it actually makes a lot of sense. Because for Wyckoff also, before starting with this new market phase, we need a new accumulation phase. And just like here, after this accumulation phase, impulsive movement, distribution, again corrective movement, and now to form this new market phase, we need a new accumulation phase. So that's why we are saying if the price of Bitcoin is going to see any sort of impulsive movement, then we still have to be careful, because in a bigger picture, this is where we could be getting gravitated before an actual impulsive move starts taking place in price action of Bitcoin. So these are some of the interesting scenario I wanted to share with you today. And also, before I conclude this video, guys, let me make you aware one more time. This here is my Crypto Anup German channel. So for all German speakers, if you want to support me there, the link is provided in the description down below. And now, since we also have our own Telegram channel, if you want to communicate, if you want to share some of your ideas and quick video updates, then follow me there. This is our new Telegram channel, Crypto Anup English Telegram channel. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.